Many of you who are watching the video that I am sharing with you today believe that 1000 XRP is sufficient to make you wealthy, and I am here to deliver you some very unfortunate news. In today's video, we will discuss how much XRP you will need to gather over the course of the next few months if you truly want to make it in the big league. Although getting 1000 XRP is not enough to make you a billionaire, we will discuss how much you will need to accumulate in order to get there. Therefore, if you find it to be intriguing, you should hit the like button. I'd want to begin by watching the video. With that being said, I would like to begin by stating that XRP is significantly more likely to turn you into a billionaire than the majority of other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, it is very clear why XRP has a lot more potential than other cryptocurrencies, particularly when you compare it to other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Therefore, you could buy XRP today for a much lower dollar value than Ethereum and Bitcoin, yet you would still be able to make a significant amount of money anyway, a greater amount of money over the course of time, and there are several reasons for this. First and foremost, the market capitalization is significantly lower, and it is capitalizing on a significantly larger market. The third and last argument is that you can put your XRP to work for you and earn substantial dividends while doing so. The annual percentage yield AP that we are discussing is greater than 10%, which is something that you will not find with Ethereum or Bitcoin anywhere else. The only exception to this is if you are going to some extremely degenerate area that would most likely cause you to lose all of your money, but that is not the case here. As a result of the numerous DeFi programs that you already possess, this incredible environment is available to you. In addition, I would like to bring to your attention, particularly in recent times, the notable improvement in performance that XRP has been seeing in comparison to other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. To put it another way, just today is a perfect illustration. Over the past 24 hours, the value of XRP has increased by 2.5%. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is having a hard time even breaking 1% during the same time period. XRP is also performing poorly in comparison to other assets such as Ethereum. There is a significant increase in the relative strength of XRP in comparison to other cryptocurrencies at the moment. Right now, if you are thinking about investing in Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, or Solana, it is a no-brainer to put your money into XRP. This is especially true when considering the extremely low 52-cent values that we are now experiencing. When it comes to leverage trading, the current moment is a pretty good time to open positions in XRP as well. This is something to keep in mind when discussions about possibilities are being held. This is due to the fact that the blue line and the orange line are both located below. Now is a particularly good time to take a long position on XRP with a leverage of 5 times, in my opinion, if you are interested in doing so. In the event that you observe any days with unfavorable price movement, you should know that this is going to be an excellent moment to do so. Now, on the weekly charts, we can see that XRP is almost on the verge of entering an overbought position. However, as I have demonstrated to you, the relative strength of XRP is significantly higher than that of other crypto assets, particularly when compared to other assets in the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, I believe that purchasing XRP at this time is a lot less dangerous than purchasing Ethereum at this time. That ought to be plenty to tell you everything you need to know. Apart from, just dollar cost averaging and leverage trading, there are a lot of things you can do with XRP that will actually make you a lot of money, and if you do it right, we will get you to become a millionaire by the time this bull run is over. However, I want to go into more detail about how much money you can actually make with XRP, and no, I'm sorry to be the one to break it to you all. 1000 XRP is not going to be sufficient. I mean, let's not deny the truth here. A price of $1 million for XRP that is worth just $500 is completely absurd. What I mean is that we are talking about gains on your position that are equivalent to 200 times. It's true that we all want that to occur, and it's also true that leverage trading may make that a possibility nevertheless. That alone is not sufficient at this point. It is going to be necessary for you to be able to make an investment that is a little bit higher than that, if you want to become a billionaire in the actual world, especially within the next year. And for that reason, I would suggest that everyone's goal should be to amass as much wealth as possible, at the very least. 10,000 XRP in total. At today's values, that is approximately equivalent to $5,200 worth of XRP. Because of the current situation on the geopolitical level, it is possible that you will be able to receive a significant discount on XRP over the course of the next few days. This is because of the fact that the situation is now unfolding. In light of the current state of affairs, it is anticipated that the cryptocurrency business would experience a slight decline in the near future. Due to the fact that people are unsure of who will emerge victorious in the United States election, there is a great deal of uncertainty, particularly during this month. It is unknown to the general public what Jerome Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, will do with regard to the possibility of decreasing or raising interest rates or maintaining them at the same level as they are at the moment. There is a great deal of ambiguity, and when there is a great deal of uncertainty, you do not see a great deal of positive price momentum, which is something that is beneficial for you. Guys, do not misunderstand me, this is not a negative thing at all. In spite of the fact that we are going to have a couple percent up today and a few percent down tomorrow, the fact remains that this simply provides you guys with the opportunity to stockpile for a steal of a bargain, because on the other hand, you can purchase XRP for 50 cents. Or you can get it for $1, $2, or $3. To tell you the truth, it is entirely up to you. There is one thing, however, that I am certain of when it goes up to $1 or even $2 or $3 or $3. You are going to wish that you had purchased it at 50 cents, right? XRP hasn't done anything that's particularly out of the ordinary in the past month, as far as I can tell, at least not as of right now. In point of fact, it has decreased by 13%. Let's say you have an asset such as XRP, which you are aware has a tremendous amount of potential. Are you going to purchase it when it is on sale, or are you going to purchase it after it has reached its full price? As I demonstrated to you all, the technicals are indicating that it is currently available at a price that is really affordable. Therefore, let us not only make use of that, but also engage in some form of trade with it. But with all of that being said, the number that we currently have is 10,000 XRP, and I want to speak about this figure a little bit more because it is a really crucial figure that, of course, will be generating you guys a lot of money if you use the 10,000 XRP that you have available in the appropriate manner. If you are going to be doing that right now, you should also make sure that you open up your leverage positions with XRP and that you sign up for Margex using the link that I provide down below in the explanation. I've already mentioned that it's an amazing time. If you are willing to do so, the Stochastic Relative Strength Index RSI daily demonstrates that there is a significant amount of money to be made right now on XRP. Now that we have that out of the way, let's move on to discussing how you may maximize the use of the remaining value of your XRP bank. For now, the top spot. You can put your money to work by supplying liquidity to a variety of different pools by going to xmagnetic.org. This will let you to put your money to benefit others. When you look at all of these pools on xmagnetic.org, which is the page you can see right there, you will notice that there are some fantastic alternatives available here, as well as some completely insane annual percentage rates. Therefore, in general, the higher the annual percentage rate APR that you are receiving, the greater the risk that is linked with the asset. This is due to the fact that the asset that you are trading with, such as XGO, or, for example, MEG does in fact have a large number of people participating in the ecosystem, and the trading pair coin is far more volatile than other coins nevertheless. There are also a great deal more opportunities, right? Because there are certain individuals that become engaged with these kinds of ecosystems and end up making millions of dollars from their involvement. A good illustration of this would be MEG/XRP. The annual percentage rate at PR for this one is currently 27.63%. In addition to providing liquidity for these services, you are in possession of a token that is consisting of half MEG and half XRP. You can see that this particular one, for instance, has 1,957 contributors, each of whom is using a different wallet to do this individually. In addition, the percentage of TVL that has been locked throughout the course of the past week has only decreased by 3%. To put it another way, there are more than 5.8 million XRP locked up in this pool, and individuals are making a sum of money that can completely transform their lives simply by participating in this pool. And the process of setting it up is very simple.